Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu. Welcome to my channel. Today I have brought an amazing adverb for you. The adverb is apparently. I haven't heard a lot of people using this word around me, and honestly, if you use these type of words in your daily conversation, you're going to sound more like a native speaker. People are going to think like you haven't just learned a temporary, translated language. You have learned proper language. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's understand the use of apparently. So the word is apparently. We use apparently to talk about situations or things that may seem real or true, but you are not sure or certain about it. Maybe because you just heard about it from someone or you read it somewhere, maybe you saw it, but again, you are not sure because there are no proper evidence for this. Alright, let's understand this better with some examples. So on my screen, the first example is, apparently it's going to rain because I can see dark clouds. Second example sentence is, apparently you know a lot for an outsider. Are you sure you are telling the truth? The third example sentence is, I thought they were married, but apparently they are not. The fourth example sentence is, they hang out a lot together. Apparently they are more than just friends now. The last example sentence is, my brother has been living in London for 4 years. Apparently he speaks better English than I do. So hope you understand the use of apparently in your sentences. To make sure that you have understood the use better, please make some sentences in the comment box, okay? I'll reply. So that's it for today, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it and like this video, and hope to see you in the next video. Okay, bye.